Hi, this is Chef Brian with Maximum Security and Casoro Jewelry Safes. Today I'm going to show you how to change the batteries on your AMSEC ESL10 digital lock. This is the AMSEC ESL10 digital lock. The two 9-volt batteries are beneath the keypad. Grasp the housing, turn firmly counterclockwise to expose the two 9-volt batteries. Remove each battery one at a time. Disconnect from the connector. Place your fresh battery in the connector and put it back in the housing slot. Reorient the keypad and click it firmly in place. And it's as simple as that.